Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll try to do the PUBG graphics test on this Redmi K40 device, friends, which is also called as the Poco F3 device as well. So the video which I am doing currently is also applicable for the Poco F3 device, because since this both phones are having the same kind of specifications and everything is going to be same. So right now I'm trying to use this PUBG game, friends, without using any kind of GFX tools. So no GFX tools are used, just by the default actual settings. What are the graphics settings you're gonna get? Is there any 90 FPS support by default? What are the settings you can play around, friends? So let's get started. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description as well. So first let me try to show you exactly what type of model I'm using. So this is a 8GB RAM variant and Snapdragon 870 processor, and the phone has a 120Hz refresh rate, which I did turn on, as you can see. So I did update the PUBG game to the latest version. So even the PUBG game is also updated to the latest version as well. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game and show you the default settings. So as I said, only few phones nowadays we are getting with the latest update of the 90 FPS support. So this is what my real concern is about the PUBG game, whether the phone is actually supported with the 90 FPS or not. If it's not supported, definitely I'll do my best in the future next videos as well, in terms of showing you using the GFX tool how you can actually get the 90 FPS. I'll try to do those videos as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more videos. So let me try to get rid of this all the tutorial here. So it is a graphics settings. So by default you can play only with the smooth and extreme settings, so you don't get any 90 FPS option. As you can see, friends, unfortunately there is no 90 FPS option here. So only by default you can play with the smooth and extreme settings. So you can see completely clearly here. So balance mode, HD mode, and the HDR mode. So even HDR and extreme also you can play. So smooth and extreme, and balanced and extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme. Ultra HD, it's right now it's downloading. So overall, these are the few settings you can actually play around in this Poco F3 device, friends. So this is the settings without any GFX tool installed. So right now this is the latest phone which I got just today only. I did not install much of the applications at the moment. Only few applications I have installed. So no GFX tools are used during this time of testing. So let me try to start the match and show you just the small gameplay, how it looks, all the details about the real-time FPS, how much I'm getting in this phone. So in case if you are curious how much is the FPS, you can get to know. And for the next couple of days, I'll be doing a lot of reviews on this Poco F3 device. I'll be uploading more than close to 100 videos before the phone get launched in India on this Poco F3. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me regularly every day. So every day try to check the channel. So because every day there will be one of the close to 10 videos which I'll be uploading. So you won't be able to get the notification every time I upload, because only you get notification for the first 3 videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. Check my videos every day to get to know all the details. So right now I'm getting about 60 FPS. And one more thing, the battery percentage is also very low at the moment. I think it's 3%, you can clearly see. So let me try to connect the charger and start the test. So it should not get switched off in the middle. So the charger is also connected to the phone right now. So you can see the real-time FPS, how much I'm getting. It's close to 60 FPS. You can see, friends, by using this game toolbar, you can clearly see the difference, how much the FPS I'm getting. So in terms of the gameplay, it should not be a much problem, because the reason, so there are 2 reasons why. The phone is of very lightweight, that's a one biggest advantage, and next advantage, dual stereo speakers. So that's another biggest advantage, and you do have small punch hole cutout, that's also another advantage for a lot of users. And you are having very good powerful processor, Snapdragon 870 processor, which is very powerful than the 865. That's also another biggest advantage here. So overall, in terms of the gaming, I would definitely say this phone has got very much powerful and a lot of capabilities. Definitely I'll do a lot of testing on this phone in the future. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for these videos. So very soon I'll try to upload a lot of videos on this phone as well. So you can try to hear the sound from the phone. And you do have small holes on the top which will be giving very good sound, and there is no 3.5 mm jack. So there is no 3.5 mm jack, friends. That's another disadvantage. So you won't be able to connect the normal headphones or earphones to this phone. That's also another one thing to notice. So I'll try to test the gyroscope sensor as well on this phone, how the gyroscope sensor is working. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned even for those videos. So right now, as you can see, friends, the real-time FPS, it's about 60 FPS I'm getting at the moment without any problem. It was playing very smooth right now. As you can see, friends, the real-time FPS meter, it's coming very close to 60 FPS. So without any problem, I was able to play the game. So again, I'll be back with the in-depth review on this phone as well by testing the other games like the Genshin Impact and a lot of other high-end games, Life After, so Fortnite games. So in the next upcoming days, friends, I'll be doing in-depth reviews on this phone in terms of testing all those things. So make sure to comment below which game you want me to test on this phone. Definitely, I'll do my best to cover that kind of particular topic in my phone as well. So I was able to get the exactly 60 FPS without any problem by using the smooth and extreme settings. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.